Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to make the simple checkbox into this Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, in case if you have ever tried or watched the video tutorial or the tutorial video out there that to add the checkbox, you can use this alternative by do the combination of Alt again into your keyboard, Alt and the letter N, C and B. And unfortunately, in this version of this Microsoft Excel, this is not available guys. For example, I will show you. I will give the combination of Alt and C, B. As you can see, it's not available over here. But don't worry, because we can keep creating the checkbox, but we'll do this in another way. So let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, all you need to do here, you just direct or navigate your cursor into this ribbon. And you don't need to click anything over here, but give the right click on your mouse and go to this customized ribbon like this, and you'll see this is the home or the ribbon, like the home WPS PDF, since I have already installed it before, and also this is the insert. And as you can see here, there is the developer one that it is not being installed yet or put yet into this section. And all you need to do is you just need to mark this developer and activate it and click OK until it will show over here. And after that, I will start to select this cell of the F6 where the checkbox I will place in. And after that, I will select this developer and go to the insert and click this checkbox. And as you can see that this cursor is now transformed into the thin plus, I will say that. So you just need to click this into this section, and you can also drag it and place into this section. And as you can see in the checkbox itself, that will be followed by this text. Don't worry, because you can also remove this text manually like this, and you can also apply this checkbox for the rest of the data of your table. Be careful until this plus or the cursor turn to be the thick black cursor, and drag it down. And now this is your checkbox, and this will be ready to use, let's say, for your tasks, or if you would like to create the financial tracker, you can also create it, and this can be also made for any purposes. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.